guys, welcome to Quick Foods 101, and we are going to make microwave baked apples. If you guys made these in FCE, that's what I got it from. So we have ground cinnamon, we have our brown sugar, we have butter, an apple, 2 custard cups, and our measuring cups, and then, hi Corinne, did you make apple or microwaved apples? Did comment below. Woo. There we go. Okay, so and then you need a knife, a fork, and a peeler. So then, I'm just waiting for my butter to warm up, but I can start it. So while this is warming up, we'll just go like this. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna cut off this 1 tablespoon of butter, and I'll show you guys in a minute. Okay, so I have cut off my 1 tablespoon, and I am going to put that into my bowl, my custard cup. And then I'm going to get out my brown sugar, and I'm going to put 1/4 of a cup in there. So I have my 1/4 cup. Hold on a minute. Okay. So I have that. There we go. Okay. And then I'm going to cut the middle, the seed area out of my apple. So there we go. Oh, my phone is off. That's great. Oh, there goes part of it. Okay. This takes very long if you're just cutting it, so yeah. Comment down below if you're going ice skating. So I have my middle of my apple cut through, so that is done. I'm gonna put it in my custard cup right away. This just sits right on the bottom of the custard cup, so you can like see through it. And then, hold on a minute, guys. Okay. So then, once you're done doing that, you also need some, well, we do not have it, but, well, in this recipe, you also need, like, cover with plastic wrap, so you need plastic wrap, and I do not have plastic wrap, so I'm just gonna do this. Ooh, that's still, I'm gonna microwave this because the butter's just still a little bit, hard. Okay, so my butter actually melted, which I did not want it to melt. You know, it's okay. So once you have your ground sugar, I already put it in. Brown sugar, I meant ground sugar. Okay, can't talk. And then you just want to mix that mixture together. Mine is going to be like a little bit soupy because of that. You're going to use your fork to do it, but try to be careful because it keeps spilling. Okay, so my butter is stuck to my fork actually. But it'll like turn into a mess kind of if you don't like control where you're going and everything. If you guys can't see, I'll move it, but so this does not want to stick together. Oh, and whoopsies, we need cinnamon. Duh. Okay, so we need 1/2 of a tablespoon of cinnamon. So that's done. Whoopsies, forgot about that. Okay, so now it's gonna smell like cinnamon, but there we go. Now it looks more like it. I know, it's like, why isn't it? Yeah, the cinnamon helps it a little bit, or a lot, kind of. So, yeah. That's warm. Ah. So when we did this in FCE at school, we actually did it where for 1 minute we put on the plastic wrap and then the next minute we took it off. But you do cook this for 2 minutes in the microwave. That's why it's called microwave baked apples. This is really good for like in the morning, but like when we did ours, I mean it was warm already, but like we did ours where one of our partners actually put it in wrong. So they actually put this stuff without in the apple. They microwaved it, and then we finally put it in the apple. So it turned out a little bit more soupy than the others. But yeah. So you want to fill with your apple. You want to fill the middle of your apple so that it kind of like stays in the hole. But you want to like push it all the way down so that you can get a lot in. Which my fork does not go through that, so I'm just going to use my knife. Yes, it kind of looks like poop. Well, to me it does. But, yeah. Dang it. So you will have leftovers because this is made for 2 apples or more. We made it with 4 in our classroom. And you want to jam pack it in there so that you get the right amount. And so you can like get as much as you can. I don't know. It's just something in there. So because I still have like more left and I don't really have anything to do with it, I'm just gonna cut another apple. And I forgot actually to take the peeling off mine. So in this one I'm going to show you the peeling because I forgot to. But that's if you don't want peeling. But yeah, so I like mine without peeling, but I'm going to try it with peeling and without peeling because I need to. Okay, so here's my big apple now. It doesn't matter like what color it is. But, I mean, you kind of want the apple, like baking apple. But I don't know what kind of apple this is, so I'm just going to deal with this apple. This one's really juicy, though. This is a really bad cut. See, this is why you use the original cutter. Oops. Okay. So, I need the garbage again. Hey! Get! Sorry, the cat. One of my cat acts like a dog, so she just ate some of the butter. Which is great. Luckily, I don't have to make it over again. another apple, and I'm just gonna cut the butter off of this because she ate it, or licked it, I should say. Okay. Bad kitty. Okay. That's the one that was for sale. Well, kind of. So, I like eating this because it's really good. So I'm going to fill this apple now. And this one has like a little bit of a bigger slit so you can fit more. Get down, cat. But I'm just going to use all my mixture. Now, again, I'm going to use my knife. And I'm going to poke it down. Because that's what helps. Because my apple isn't, like, in the best shape. Sorry, I have a runny nose for all that sniffing. Okay, so the bottom is filled. And I'm just going to fill the rest to the top with a little bit. Which is okay, because you don't need it overflowing. And then I'm going to wash my dishes. Okay, so let's clean up a little. Okay, so I have my two not baked yet, but apples. And those are done. Oh my gosh, I forgot to peel again. So usually you just peel this top layer off, which I'll kind of try to do. And then you have to peel the bottom one. And I'm going to let all the extras just fall into the bin because I kind of want to eat those because I don't want to restuff them. But I'm actually, because this is actually easier. Oh, just stuck my hand in that. That was just the weirdest feeling. I'm just going to cut all of this, okay, guys? Woo! What? Oh, got my brother's homework. Okay, so this is all done. I'm just going to set it back in there. Wash my hands, throw away this. Wash now my brother's thing too. Just going to go like this. There we go. Go put the butter away, put the brown sugar and the cinnamon away. So my two baked apples, one the other color and one peeled and one not peeled. Now I'm going to put these in the microwave for 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna let it sit for like a minute or two, and then I can eat them, and they're really good. So hopefully you enjoyed this live video. Hopefully you can make your own microwave baked apples. You can get it off of the internet, I'm pretty sure. But all you need is this stuff. And like a peeler and like yeah. Well, you guys saw everything in the video, and yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Bye.